Hi there, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle is a tectonic with one star. In that they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. In additional, not in today's newspaper of Tuesday. It's today, Tuesday, April the 11th, 2023. No, it's the additional of March the 28th, also on a Tuesday, 2023, I believe, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. And I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. Because in today's newspaper we have no additional, no extra puzzles, so need to find extra puzzles, and two puzzles I've already done, so one puzzle is left. The last puzzle for today is a tectonic with a one star. This will be number 6260. Yeah, 6260. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 23 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 23, a lot. It's indicated with one star. Well, for one star puzzle, as you know, it need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a one star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Let me put the 1 there. Dual box. Next question, do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? Let me check. No dual boxes in this puzzle. Triple boxes then. Let me check. No triple boxes in this puzzle. Quadra boxes then. Next question. Yeah, I see here one quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4, and this quadra box should be there. So two numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. Only one quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, this shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Yeah. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope, only one. How about the next shape, figure, structure or construction? The L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 then. Okay, only one L shape. Yeah. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes. We have two of those shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. These two boxes surround 1, can it be a 1? Those two boxes surround 1, can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 in this area could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Then. Let me see. Alright. These two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes round 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2. So round the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3. These two boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Another pair in this area are the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for us 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. We have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore, because if I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here and not there. Alright. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2, and wait. These two boxes can be 2, those two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. I think this box should be 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. We have a double 5 there, that means that those two boxes can be a 5. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So no 5 here and no 5 there, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2, we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5 then. Alright. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright. Then this box gave me a 2, that box gave me a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. And 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3, 4, 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, now we have a 4 here, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, well, I'm pleased with the time, faster than 50 minutes, so I'm really pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the ladder Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, all kind of quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudoku, yeah. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.